Ever been frustrated by a car? A sea that just won't blow cold air? Or perhaps a mysterious warning light on your dashboard? Today, we're diving deep into a common but often misunderstood issue: the P0533 fault code. Welcome to Code Mechanic, where we demystify automotive problems for you. The P0533 code points to a problem with your AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit. It's a critical component in your vehicle's air conditioning system, and understanding it is key. So, what exactly does P0533 mean? It indicates a high input from the sensor. This means the sensor is sending an abnormally high voltage signal to your car's computer. This could signify excessive pressure in the AC system, or a malfunction within the sensor itself. The AC refrigerant pressure sensor plays a vital role in monitoring system pressure. It relays crucial data to the powertrain control module, or PCM, ensuring optimal AC performance. When this system malfunctions, you'll notice some telltale signs. Your AC compressor might not engage, leaving you without that cool relief. Of course, the check engine light will likely illuminate, signaling a problem, and you might hear your engine cooling fan running continuously, even when it shouldn't be. Now, let's explore the common culprits behind this P0533 code. One frequent cause is an overcharged AC system. Too much refrigerant leads to excessive pressure. Another common issue is a faulty AC refrigerant pressure sensor itself. These sensors can simply wear out or fail over time, sending incorrect signals. Wiring and connector issues are also major contributors. Frayed wires or poor connections can disrupt the sensor's communication with the PC. Finally, though rare, a faulty powertrain control module, or PCM, could be the culprit. This is less common, but always a possibility in complex electrical systems. Now, let's get to the crucial part: diagnosing the P0533 code. Safety first. Always wear protective gear when working with AC systems. Refrigerant can be dangerous if not handled properly. Start with a scan tool check. An OBD2 scanner will confirm the P0533 code. It also allows you to view live data for AC pressure readings, which is invaluable. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection of the refrigerant pressure sensor and its wiring. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Then, use AC manifold gauges to verify the actual system pressure. Compare these readings with your scan tool data for consistency. For sensor testing, a multimeter is your best friend. Test the sensor's voltage output and resistance to ensure it's within specifications. Finally, perform a wiring continuity test to check for any breaks or shorts in the harness. This ensures the electrical path is clear and functional. Once diagnosed, it's time for solutions. The first step might be correcting the refrigerant level. Properly evacuating and recharging the system can resolve overcharge issues. If the sensor is faulty, replacement is necessary. This is often a straightforward process for experienced DIers or mechanics. For wiring and connector issues, repair or replacement of the damaged components is required. Ensure all connections are clean, tight, and free from corrosion. If a PCM issue is suspected, professional diagnosis is highly recommended. PCM repairs are complex and best left to specialists. In summary, addressing the P0533 code is crucial for your AC's health and your comfort. By understanding its meaning, symptoms, and diagnostic steps, you're well on your way to a fix. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Comment below with your experiences or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching Code Mechanic. Drive safe and stay cool.